So Banggood has sent me the E86. It's a 1/64 scale mini drifter. There you can see there's the different colors. So the 86 comes in black and yellow, and the 87 comes in cyan or gray. I have the black 86. So you do get a user manual. So in this pack, you get 4 cones if you want to make yourself a little course or something, maybe drift around the cones. And then you get a screwdriver and also a USB-C charger. Let's check out the controller and the little truck. So very tiny, fits in the palm of your hand, but it does have smooth plastic tires. And then right there's your charging port for your USB-C cable. Turn it on. It looks like we have LEDs on the bottom. We get headlights and taillights. Let's turn that off. Looks like we need 2 AA's, and I have some right here. We'll just leave that screw out. So this truck does have proportional steering. You don't get a lot of turn out of it, and you can't trim it from the controller. You have to trim it right here on the bottom. There is a manual trim there. And then it does have proportional throttle. And it's 4-wheel drive, as you can see. So we have the power switch here. Then this button turns off the LED lights. This one isn't a button, it's just a fake button. And then this one here is for your speeds. So it does have 2 speeds. You can hear it slow down and pick up speed. And then this button here is another fake button. This feels very cheap, and it should, because this comes in at under $20. I think when I looked on Banggood last, it was like $16.99. Not a bad price for a fully proportional little drifter like this. We'll see how good it runs. I think I have more fun without the cones. So running this around, I've noticed a little issue right there. When I give it full throttle and turn at the same time, sometimes it just stalls like that. Again, it doesn't do it all the time, but it does do it enough that I noticed it. But this thing was $16.99 on Banggood, so you really can't expect too much for that price point. As far as, is it a nice little drifter for tabletop? I mean, you get the 4-wheel drive, you get the LEDs. It is pretty quick in the second rate, and it does slide around. But that'll be it for this video on the E86. If you like this video, click that subscribe button, and I hope you join me on the next video.